Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to today's JASMY video update for Tuesday 16th of August. And right now I'm looking at JASMY, and JASMY on the 1 hour time frame is looking purely amazing at the moment. Right, so we have actually seen JASMY rising up against Bitcoin, moving to the technical targets here. And this is exactly what I wanted to see. Okay, for a long time I've been preaching and saying this is the yellow line that we want to see JASMY cross. Finally, JASMY has crossed that yellow line. And the thing is, the beauty is that you have made the morning star right here, and this morning star pretty much confirms that JASMY is looking amazing to continue to the upside. Now, if you're not in our Discord, do join our Discord, because I've already given this one freebie as a signal, and this is where we're buying it right now, and the stop is actually going to be down there. So the stop is going to be a little bit below the Morningstar level. So if it ever comes down here again, right, if it does come down to that level, then that pretty much actually invalidates the trading. Of course, we have to be careful if the wick doesn't happen. That's a different story. If the wick happens down here, something it could actually just come down, touch the wick, and then move higher, and that could be a nightmare for us. We're going to lose the trade. But the thing is, it should be now looking to go to this price technical target right here, and that's going to be up to 14277, and that is because of the sideways movement. Now it's actually Wednesday, so there could be a little bit of a weekly, this is known as a weekly reversal, okay, midweek reversal basically. So if I take this one from the top to the bottom of that sideways movement, and this is where you're breaking out, then you're looking for JASMY to actually come up to 14277, and finally that's exactly what we've been waiting for, and this is what you wanted to see for JASMY. That 1 hour candle is a bullish pattern, is a bullish candlestick actually. If I do show you on Google right now, talking about morning star candlestick here, so let's go into the images right there, and this is exactly what I want to show you right here. So you do have that green candle, the doji in the middle, and the red candle as well. So this is exactly what you're putting in on the 1 hour time frame. So everything from here should work perfectly, and you've never actually closed like this before. Okay, if I zoom out like this, you have never ever closed with a morning star or a bullish pattern like this. All you did is just try to go higher, but there was no any bullish candlestick, just a random movement high and then go down, random movement high, went down, another wake up there, went down, and this finally right there, if I do zoom in here, you have done something beautiful. That's an amazing pattern to look forward to. And that's pretty much it for this update, hoping for the best. This can actually, if you're entering right now, if you want to enter, that's going to be like 1.69% of loss. So do your risk money management. If you lose 1.6%, trying to get 27%, that's pretty decent to me. Do your own risk calculation. If, how much you want to invest, that's up to you. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.